Okay, so I have the following problem. 25 meters of a lake is covered in algae. If it grows at a rate of 2% every week, how large will it be after 6 weeks? Okay. So, at a rate of 2% every week, and then I have a 25 meter, my other color, 25 meters of a lake. Okay, so because I see a growth at 2%, that tells me it's an exponential equation. And so I have the exponential 25, right? So I want to use a times 1 plus r to the x, where 25 is my a, 1 plus, now 2%, I write as a decimal, so I write as 0.02 to the x. Okay? And so that's my equation, and now I can use that to answer my second question. How large will it be after 6 weeks? And so for a problem like this, I say 25 times, and I can simplify this to 25 times 1.02 x, so I say 1.02. Now, the only difference, instead of putting x, I'm going to put 6. Because after 6 weeks, that's how far it's going to be. Now, my next step is I am going to say 25 times 1.02 up 6. And I'm going to put this into my calculator. Boom. And I'll get 28.154. Boom. Meters. And that's the answer to the problem. Now, if I wanted to draw a graph of this, my graph is going to look something like this. Okay, I need to remember it won't cross the y-axis ever. Now, I'm going to label 25 right here. Okay, because that is where my point is crossing. Now, this is 1.02. Okay, so that tells me with my graph, right, if I cross at 25, because that's my y-intercept. So remember, my A is my y-intercept. My graph isn't growing like that crazy, but it will start to grow after a while. And so my graph will start to look like this. It's the same thing here. It's going to constantly go down, boom, until it gets really close to 0, okay? So my graph of an exponential, remember, looks something like this. And so some other examples, if you want to see something quicker, I want to make sure it shows like this. Boom, A, boom. This is 1 plus r to the x, and y. Okay, so remember, that's what my graph of an exponential looks like. And that is saying that 1 is greater than, okay?